Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a cell night gray metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a black ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. Also includes the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation with voice command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic slicks for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLC has 21,471 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.